Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting tool to talk about, the MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip Lineman knife. If you're in the market for the best wire skinning knife, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this knife a top choice for professionals. The MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip Lineman knife is designed to meet the needs of electricians, linemen, and anyone working with wires. It's known for its exceptional quality and features that set it apart from the competition. Here are some key features that make this knife stand out. The knife is crafted from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring maximum durability and sharpness. This means it's built to last even under tough working conditions. One of the standout features of this knife is its innovative OneFlip technology. With a simple push, you can easily open and close the knife using just one hand, even when wearing work gloves. This makes it incredibly convenient and efficient for professionals on the job. The knife features a pointed tip blade, which is perfect for precision cutting and wire skinning tasks. It's designed to handle various wire sizes with ease. Safety is paramount when working with knives, and the MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip doesn't disappoint. It comes with a reliable blade locking mechanism, ensuring that the blade stays securely open or closed during use. Another thoughtful addition is the reversible belt clip, allowing you to carry the knife with ease and convenience. No matter how you prefer to attach it to your belt or gear. So, why should you choose the MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip Lineman knife for your wire skinning needs? As we mentioned earlier, the OneFlip technology makes it incredibly efficient for one-handed operation. Whether you're on a ladder or in a tight space, this knife has you covered. Thanks to its high-grade stainless steel construction, this knife is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. You can trust it to last for years to come. The pointed tip blade ensures precise cutting, making it an ideal choice for professionals who demand accuracy in their work. Safety is paramount, and the blade locking mechanism provides peace of mind, preventing accidental openings or closures. In conclusion, the MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip Lineman knife is undoubtedly the best wire skinning knife available in the market today. Its combination of high-quality materials, innovative OneFlip technology, and safety features make it a must-have for electricians, linemen, and anyone who requires a reliable and efficient cutting tool for their work. That wraps up our review of the MADI PTOLK-1P OneFlip Lineman knife. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or if you've used this knife before, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.